Herringbone ladder stitch is really another variation on a decorative backstitch. Weaving the thread in a herringbone pattern takes a bit of concentration, but the first step is simple. Work 2 lines of backstitch to create a base for the woven thread. To create the herringbone ladder, bring the needle up just below the first backstitch. Without piercing the fabric again, weave the needle under the stitch from the top. The working thread stays to the right and the needle passes over it, pointing towards the lower row. Turn the needle to loop the thread under the first lower stitch. Keep the working thread to the right and take the needle under the stitch from below, pointing towards the upper row and passing over the thread. Continue to wrap the thread around the stitches, always weaving the needle down through the upper stitches and up through the lower ones. The working thread stays to the right of the needle, and the needle always passes over the thread. The needle always points to the space between the rows as you bring it underneath each stitch. Watch the loops as they form to check that they follow the same pattern. It can take a bit of practice to remember the steps, but once the sequence makes sense to you and you have a rhythm, it's a simple process to follow, and the repetition helps to make it easier after a while. When you've wrapped the last stitch, finish the pattern by taking the needle back through the fabric next to the last loop you made and securing the thread on the reverse. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. Let me know if you have any questions and I'll get back to you. If you'd like to see more stitch tutorials, I have a playlist here. Please give this video a like and subscribe to get notified about my new tutorials and projects. Bye for now.